Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about on document bulk export in a cloud-based VDRs. Number of advantages over traditional on-premises VDRs include cost saving. Cloud-based VDRs are typically more cost-effective than on-premises VDRs because organizations do not need to invest in and maintain their own hardware and software. Scalability: cloud-based VDRs are scalable, meaning that they can be easily scaled up or down to meet the needs of the organization. This is important for organizations that experience fluctuation in their data storage needs. Then security: cloud-based VDRs uses the latest security technologies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. This is important for protecting confidential information such as trade secrets, business plans. Then compliance: cloud-based VDRs can help organizations to comply with the industry regulations such as general data protection regulations. Document bulk export. Document bulk export is a process of exporting multiple documents from a cloud-based video to local computer or another cloud storage service. This can be useful for a variety of reasons such as backing up documents. Document bulk export can be they use backup documents from a cloud-based video to a local computer to another cloud-based storage service. This can help to protect documents from loss or damage. Archiving documents. Document bulk export can be used to archive documents from a cloud-based video to a long-term storage solution. This can help to reduce the cost of storing document in a cloud-based video. Sharing document with others. Document bulk export can be used to share documents from a cloud-based video with others who do not have access to the VDR. This can be useful for sharing documents with colleagues, customers, or partners. How document bulk export works in a cloud-based VDRs. Document bulk export in a cloud-based VDRs typically work as follows. The user select the document that they want to export. The user choose the format in which they want to export the document. Example: PDFs, GIF, etc. The user clicks on the export button. The cloud-based video generates a compressed file containing the exported documents. The user downloaded the compressed file to their local computer or to another cloud storage service. In last conclusions, document bulk export can be a valuable tool for user of cloud-based VDRs. By using a document bulk export, user can backup, archive, and share their documents easily and efficiently. If you are using a cloud-based VDR, I encourage you to consider using the document bulk export features. These features can help you to save time and effort and to improve the security and efficiency of your document management process. So that's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you again.